Hi, this is Bill, and you are on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. Today we take you on board the Disney Dream for a cabin tour of cabin 9112, which is a family Oceanview stateroom with veranda. We'll show you around the cabin and tell you what we thought of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, Angela, where are we?
We're on the Disney Dream.
Where?
In Italy.
Very nice.
And we've got room 122.
On deck 9. They have magic bands now that work with, instead of just their Key to the World card, there's your keep the room cold, which I like it cold. You're gonna need to put the Key to the World card in here, or I think you use just any other card in there that'll work. Alrighty. So let's take us through the living area.
Okay.
Room's huge.
Very huge. This is a deluxe family Oceanview with veranda.
Okay. So the couch.
Which I'll probably...
Full-size couch.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's a bed that drops down from above, too.
Right. I think there's two can sleep in this. This room fits 4 to 5 people, so
Yeah.
that must be a double... 2 people.
Yeah,
sit at the
probably
bottom.
2 there. Yeah, and then that looks like a bed, too, that
Oh, then
floats down
maybe.
from the wall.
I don't know. Maybe it's Murphy bed.
Could be.
Maybe that's the third one.
Let's see if we can find that out for you. Nice decor. Bed. Couple things about the bed. They you can definitely fit your luggage underneath it. The only thing that's a little different with Disney cabins is it's not a split. You can't split this into 2 beds. So this stays as a king. It doesn't split into 2 twin beds. Love the decor. Hidden Mickeys. Find hidden Mickeys all over the place. The curtain. Let's show them the curtain.
Privacy curtain.
Yeah, that so you can, have a little privacy if you have kids or whatever.
You got a nightstand there.
Nightstand. Power. There's some power on this side. Looks like there is U.S. outlets and European outlets, which is nice. A couple little drawers on the nightstands.
3 hooks.
Hooks up there. The room does connect. We don't have anybody connecting with us. Let's take a look at the closet space now.
Got one.
Nice closet. Okay.
Got the safe here.
Safe. Slide out drawer safe. Some shelves. I'll tell you a story about the safe on another video. And how you should utilize it to avoid pickpockets, like I didn't. Let's look over at the...
This is like the refrigerator.
Okay. Is it empty? Good.
Empty.
It is empty. Hold on 1 second. Refrigerator is empty. TV. Welcome us.
Storage.
Some storage up there.
Storage.
Huge desk. Plenty of room.
Drawer. Drawer.
3 nice sized drawers there.
6 drawers.
Use packing cubes, so that'll be
And
real
also
handy.
the same on the other side.
oh, that's
This
where
is
your
where
hair dryer is.
And a mat. Give a flat iron.
Okay. I guess.
More storage.
And I guess those drawers are still
Same.
the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing in there, right?
And then you got storage here. And some glasses.
Some glasses, yes.
Plenty of storage.
We'll
Great.
ask the cabin steward for some ice. They're usually very good about refilling ice and stuff too. Another drawer here. Ooh! Room service. A couple of postcards. My brother will be happy. Disney postcards.
A pen.
A pen that Angel will steal. And our gifts.
Yes.
Let's see. What do we get, honey?
We're silver. Castaway Club. So we got, this time, we got, looks like a really nice beach bag, which I'm happy. Last time they used to give you the sling, but this is nice size.
Because you don't have enough beach bags.
No, Never enough. And we got also, this is probably lanyards, would be my guess. That would be.
Oh yeah, lanyards. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, very cool.
I guess you could use it as a luggage take hold. Well, no, it's more a lanyard. But yeah, it's cool.
Like it.
Which is kind of odd because I'll be probably wearing the Magic Band most of the time.
True.
Bathroom. Now this has got the split bathroom.
Right. Anything that's a, I guess Deluxe is, yeah, Deluxe has, this has got tub shower with a little.
Yeah, the shower. This is great for littles that want to take baths. You got the fire alarm over there. I mean, clothes hanger, clothes line.
We got storage here. Oh, the other opens. No, it doesn't.
Some bath soap.
That doesn't open.
No, it doesn't.
Storage. We got plenty of space here.
Yeah. Ocean. Did they have soaps?
Yes.
Yep. There you go.
Your standard Disney.
Disney soap. Okay.
And this side.
And the toilet. Safety tip: do not flush that while sitting on it. Little space up on top there. Storage. Couple of hooks in here too. And this is what we look like.
More shelves.
Some more shelves. Not bad. Hand soap. And then the best is always for last, which is the balcony.
Veranda. This is a nice size room.
Is there a difference between a veranda and a balcony?
No.
If there is, please tell me in the comments below. Oh, it looks a little rainy out.
Yeah, I think so.
Now this is the port of Civitavecchia, and I know the Italians viewers are going to kill me because I probably butchered that, but here we are. It's Norwegian Viva's in. A little cloudy today. It's been kind of raining on and off, but still beautiful. So this is not our first rodeo on the Disney Dream. As a matter of fact, it's the third time we've been on it. It's been a couple of years since the last time around. We did 3-day cruises out of Florida at the restart.
This is the first 11-day long.
Yeah, there's a long 11-day one. So we're going to have videos on all of the ports, and we're going to do another ship tour video. If you look back, we have some ship review videos, or stateroom review videos, when we were much earlier in our YouTube careers, and I'm kind of embarrassed for myself. But if you want to take a look and see what we've done since then, please do. Embarkation can be smoother. Great process. We already got a little bit of lunch. Secret: don't tell anybody. If you go into Europe and you're staying like 4 or 5 days ahead of time, as soon as the staterooms open, run. Don't walk to the laundry facilities to be the first ones to get your laundry done, because and we pretty much had to do that.
Yeah, we just about made it.
We barely made it. There are laundry facilities on most of the guest floors. There's, I think, 6 machines in each one. But it was nice to be able to, throw laundry in and then come to the room. Thoughts?
It's great.
Yeah, beautiful. So please hit like if you're getting any value out of these videos. Leave comments below if you've been on Disney. Anything you'd like us to answer for future videos. Again, we're going to be honest. We have some stuff to do on Rome. We're going to talk about pickpockets. Not good.
The other thing, definitely recommend doing the Disney transfer.
Yes, we did that. Disney transfers from a hotel in Rome. We did not stay at the hotel. We were able to meet over at the hotel, and it was very smooth. They loaded up the luggage as soon as we got there. Special line walking in. It was not that expensive. Well worth it. Disney transfers, at least for Disney cruises, are great. So, I guess that's about it.
That's about it.
Like, please hit subscribe. It helps this channel out a lot. And until next time,
come join us on our adventures.
Bye-bye, everybody.